Some users on Reddit and Apple community complained that they were unable to remove the remote management profile from their iPad or remove device management on their school iPads, even after restoring the iPad. If you are facing a similar situation and are wondering how to remove remote management from your iPad or iPhone, don't worry. In this video, we will show you 3 ways to remove remote management from your iPad with or without a passcode or computer. Let's get started. Removing remote management means disabling or bypassing the mobile device management (MDM) profile on a device like an iPhone or iPad. Organizations use MDM profiles to control and manage settings, apps, and usage. After you remove remote management, you will regain full control of your device. This means you will be able to access all settings, install any apps you want, and use the device without any restrictions from the MDM profile. When you remove an MDM profile, most MDM systems may alert the administrator. This may result in some consequences, but you can also reinstall the MDM profile, which usually requires contacting your organization's IT department. The first way to remove remote management from an iPad or iPhone is to use the password that the administrator set for the profile. This is the easiest and most official way to remove remote management, but it requires you to know or get the password from the administrator. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on General. 3. Choose VPN and Device Management. 4. Press the Device Management Profile option. 5. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Remove Management. Of course, if you already know the MDM administrator password, you won't search for this video for other help. The second way is to use a professional tool that can bypass the passcode and remove the profile without losing any data. AnyUnlock is such a tool. It is the best MDM removal tool that can help you remove remote management from your device in simple steps and clicks. Step 1. Free download the latest version of AnyUnlock on your computer and launch it. Step 2. And connect your iPad to the computer via a USB cable. Choose the Bypass MDM mode. Step 3. In the following interface, tap on the Bypass Now button to get started. Step 4. Before you start the MDM bypassing process, please make sure your iPad is on the remote management screen. If your device is not on the remote management screen, please follow the instructions by clicking on the Not Yet button to make it on your iPad. Step 5. Wait for a few minutes and you will see the successfully bypassed page. Why people always choose AnyUnlock. 1. Quickly remove remote management from iPad or iPhone without password and without losing data. And the most important thing is no jailbreak. 2. No tech skills required. Anyone can remove it easily on any iPads, including school iPads. 3. Support the latest iPhone 16/iPhone 16 Pro and iOS 18. As a professional iPhone unlocking toolkit, AnyUnlock can not only remove remote management from iPad, but also bypass activation lock, unlock iOS devices, remove Apple ID, etc. The third way is to jailbreak your iPad. You can search and download the Jailbreaking Tool on Google. However, jailbreaking may bring the following hazards. System security risks. Jailbreaking will undermine the integrity and security mechanism of the iOS system, making the device more vulnerable to viruses, malware, and hacker attacks. This may cause your device and personal data to be leaked or damaged. Loss of functional restrictions. Jailbreaking will cause the original system functions and software services to be restricted or unusable. For example, functions such as Apple Pay and iCloud may be affected. Warranty expiration. Once a device is jailbroken, its original factory warranty will usually expire immediately. If there are any hardware or software problems, you will not be able to enjoy free repair services. Based on the above risks, I do not recommend jailbreaking your iPhone, and it seems that AnyUnlock is your best choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.